The sandwich. It combines bread with toppings to make lunch. To put it simply, the sandwich is a food-holding device. But here's the amazing thing. The sandwich doesn't keep meat in. It keeps bread out. Huh? Yep, that's right. The sandwich was conceived not to squeeze meat and toppings together, but rather to force two slices of bread apart, preventing them from bonding together into one explosive super slice. Cool. But how does it work? The sandwich. Huh? Yep, that's right. The sandwich. The meat. The other meat. The cheese. The lettuce. The tomato. And finally, the mustard. But to understand it, we've gotta break it. When electrons flow through bread, they create a magnetic field. This field induces an electric current in any nearby metal. That's why toasters become so hot when they're put near bread. As two slices of bread approach one another, their respective fields attract. That's key. This interaction creates a rotational force at right angles to the field's polarity, which becomes stronger the closer they get. In fact, it becomes so strong that one slice can lift twice its weight in butter 3 meters, 10 feet, off the ground in 1 second flat. And if left uncontrolled, these two slices will soon begin to swirl around each other in a violent tempest of magnetostriction. So how do we keep two slices of bread from collapsing together into one catastrophic superslice? It's really the result of a complex molecular interaction taking place on a subatomic scale. The result is a kind of electromagnetic barrier between the slices of bread. With this barrier in place, we're now free to add toppings without fear of being horribly crushed. Phew! The cheese. Its function is to act as an insulator between the meat and the lettuce. Lettuce adds some crunchiness and a light, fresh flavor to the sandwich. But be careful. Too much lettuce can reduce the overall performance of the sandwich, rendering it more like a salad than a true sandwich. Next comes the tomato. Slices of tomato add color to any sandwich, as well as a hint of tangy sweetness. And now, finally, the mustard. The function of mustard remains unknown to science, despite decades of study and taste testing. Together, these ingredients make up a spectacular lunch, while, at the same time, keeping two slices of bread apart. The sandwich. It keeps lunch tasty and bread under control. Pretty goddamn motherfucking spectacular.